Hello Stickies, it's Lorena, how are you? I'm here today with a new video. Today we're going to plan in our A5 Hobonichi cousin with our new kit. I have a beautiful polter that I love. This is a Hobonichi case which is beautiful. The fabric is incredible, guys. I already decorated with a sticky background. I love it into pieces. I got some stickers here that I'm going to show you a little bit. I made a video about it, but I still need to do some. This is an avec, so it's only 6 months. The Coffee Monster Co already gave us in the newsletter some freebies to cover this page. I'm going to do that for sure because I love the Coffee Monster Co too. This is our month in rainbow. I love it. It's beautiful, makes me happy. And then we are in our monthly. So because our Hobonichi kits are starting in January and the subscriptions are open already in our website, you can do website, you can do Patreon, you can do people from Europe. You have to order from Etsy. It's a listing specially just for European people. Our website is not prepared to send anything to EU, but everyone else can go to our website sticky.net. There is a subscription page, so you're more than welcome to visit us. Well, this is our kit. This is our A5 kit for Hobonichi cousin. At the moment, we're going to plan with our monthly pages, which is this one and this one. Our monthly pages are beautiful, full of colors, ready for January. Beautiful colors for our winter season. I love the penguins. I don't know if you can see them. They're so nice. So I'm going to give you an idea how to place them. Then when you have to do it, it's going to be easier for me if I take this out of a case. So we're starting with the month. Our material is vinyl, but you can write on it even with a fountain pen. I can use my Twisby. I can use my Pilot Decima on them. They are like butter. That's the best description ever. They are like butter. So I like to place them with my tweezers. So I'm going to grab my tweezers. Bear with me, guys, because this is my first time filming. I'm a little bit nervous. Obviously, English is not my first language. You know that already. Thank you for your patience. Beautiful January covers all the gray bit in here. I love it. I just love that. Then we're going to cover the top bit. You have two different variations. You can use whatever you want. You can use them as a washi. You can use them as a cover. I like it to give a little bit of dimension to cover this bit because it covers all the symbols, and I like to use the Japanese version, not the English version. I don't know why. I prefer the Japanese versions, say, for people that don't like to see all the symbols and characters and things like that. I just cover this bit. Our stickers are repositionable a little bit, so you have to be careful, but if you're struggling, don't worry because you are very able to fix it. We're going to cover the days of the weeks now. Come on, guys, make my life easier. I hope you can hear me well, because otherwise I will die when I edit in this video and the audio is going to be dead. No, thanks. No. Here we go. It's a beautiful contrast. I love the colors of this kit. To be honest, it's so beautiful. I like bright colors. I like bold colors. I like pastels too. But to me, in order to make me happy, they have to be vibrant. And this is a perfect mixture between vibrant and pastel colors for people that like a little bit muted colors. Obviously not this blue, but I mean, guys, it's absolutely beautiful. I know it takes time, but this is like therapy. I love to decorate my planner. This is just absolutely beautiful. Obviously you can use this without the stripped ones, but I love the cotton candy colors in there. It's like I don't know, marshmallows colors or candy colors. They are beautiful. They're absolutely beautiful. Sorry, I'm shaking. I'm so nervous, guys. This is my first chatty video, no demonstration. Well, it's a demonstration, but it's chatty, so I'll be okay. I know, you are so nice. Our community is amazing. Let's place the numbers. We carry on with the order. I don't put any washi or anything to cover the colors. I actually like the colors, but maybe I'm mad. I don't know. Maybe I'm mad, but I love it. I love to see the difference between Saturday and Sunday, even if that is a different color. I really love it. It's going to take time. I'm going to put you in fast forward. Okay guys, I have finished with the day dots. New Year's Day. I love this color and the font will fit perfectly in our boxes. We're going to add now from the other sheet, we're going to add some, let's put in the sidebar. I like to take my time. Then I use this one that is this month. I like to put it over here on top. I think it's a very nice touch, but you can use any phrase or anything you want to use it for in there. Then we're going to put the bottom washi. I'm going to cover the whole thing. Beautiful. I love it. I love the combination of the colors. They are so lovely, and I don't know, it's like makes me happy to see it in January after Christmas. I mean, it's absolutely stunning. The color palette is just beautiful. Let's do our boxes. I would like to use these ones with the hearts, but you actually can do whatever you want, guys. This is just a guide. Let's do, because they are big, we don't need tweezers. 1, and let's cover this one as a 2. And then I'm going to use this Hello January, which I love. It's absolutely beautiful. We're going to use now my tweezers because yes, this is a little bit tricky. So let's do it here in the very middle over, and I would like to cover this one, this part. So we're going to use our strips, the solid ones. I used to use these ones just to cover the top of the. You can use this, you can use a full box if you want, but I just wanted to make it like this, very easy to place. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put a little bit of transparent backing, and I'm going to use my ruler and my cutter. This is a little cutter for stationery. I'm going to align that, cut my sticker, don't go crazy, and that's it. Beautiful. I would like to put some checklist in place, maybe on my second day. I normally get paid on the 28th of each month. Normally I do work from home. I normally do work from home on Thursdays and Fridays. I'm going to get this small flag, this small box. I'm going to mark my work from home day. Why we not cover this one, this box in here? Let's do that. Make it a little bit happy. My dad-in-law birthday is on the 13th of January, so I'm going to mark his birthday here with the beautiful balloons. We want to place this little box. My daughter. Okay guys, we have Blue Monday, the 19th of January, the National Chocolate Cake Day, which is the Tuesday, the 27th of January. Lego Day is on the 28th of January. As well, I can show you how these little flags, you have plenty of them. You have these ones and you have these ones, or little dots, however you want to call it. We're going to use some of them to create as well checklists. Sometimes they look very nice. So I'm going to place them in here, for example. And I'm going to use, they fit in the very little tiny square of the Hobonichi grid, and I love them into pieces. They are absolutely beautiful. Let's do the heart. Let's do a little circle, maybe in yellow, or let's do the light blue. So we have a full palette in there. So you can see now that you have plenty of them. These guys, I want to show you. This is 2 strips of washi as well. Look at that. And 2, this is the other one. To play with them in your weeklies or your dailies. Okay, this is it. This is our beautiful monthly spread. Okay guys, now we're going to move on into our weekly spread. So I would like to go to my first tab. These beautiful tabs as well, I made them. It's in our shop. So they are very durable. I love them as well. So let's go to the very first week of the year, and we're going to use our weeklies. So it's week 1, week 2, and week 3. The names are on the top. So these are boxes to put your appointments or mark special events and everything. I love our post tips. The sticky posts are absolutely beautiful. They are so happy. I drawn our icons on my iPad, so everything is created by me. I got some beautiful penguins in here. They're absolutely stunning. So let's start with these. Let's put first our dates. Actually, let's do that in the other way around. So it's the 29th, 30th, 31st, the 1st, 2nd, the 3rd, and the 4th. So now we place our strip. This time I'm not going to use any background strips. Align them with the lines of the day. Let's do the other one. Let's align them. I got the feeling that you are seeing just my hands, so don't blame me, please. There we go. Let's place the week off, and this covers the whole grey. Then I would like to put some little washi here at the bottom. I'm going to use this one, and we're going to do exactly the same as we done in the other one. Then I would like to place, yes, let's do that. Weekly. I use this to plan my meals, so I don't have to think about it, and I cover the calendar. It fits perfectly in there. You cover your calendar if you want to. Let's put some habit tracker. So if you want to track your water, your pills, anything you want to track, just put it in here. I would like to place them on top of each other, so it makes it a little bit 3D. And the third one, so in this feed I'm going to put my to-do list. Let's see if I can do it. We have the ruler. You have plenty of to-do scripts in here, so I'm going to use 1 to 2, and I'm going to use this little clip. I love this guy. Have a happy face. It's so beautiful. I'm going to put it in here, and I'm going to put my to-do in here. Checklist in here. Bottom washi, people. I like to put the bottom of my planner. I'm going to place my weekend. Then I would like to mark my laundry. So I'm going to use this box. Normally it's on Sundays. I'm going to use my washing machine icon. I have a script as well. This is why the name of the sheets, a guide, is not something that you have to use those sheets for one thing or another. It's just a guidance. And I would like to mark my grocery shop. I go groceries trolley, which is absolutely beautiful, guys. Look at this pretty thing. And I'm going to use my script. Why not? Then I would like to mark my husband's payday is on Fridays normally. Let's do this beautiful note. I think they look super nice. Then I'm going to place one of the post-its on a Thursday. They fit perfectly. I'm going to mark something I do Thursdays evening with my daughter, and I'm going to mark it with a little tiny pink heart. Checklist. And I would like to mark as well rubbish day. Beautiful Willy Bean. Look at that. Oh, I would like to mark my work from home too. I would like to place another note down here. Another activity that I do. And then I would like to place a little box on a Monday, first thing in the morning, and I would like to place to contact, just to remind me who I have to contact on that week. We finish our beautiful week spread. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the colors, love the palette. It's beautiful. Okay guys, now we're going to continue with our dailies. I'm going to go for the first day of the month. This is our dashboard sheet and it's specially designed for this page. So let's do it together. Little trick, go to the very end, align it in there. Yes, it's perfect. Then we use our sidebar. I designed it to be just one square down. Guide yourself with that. The other one, let's align it on the other side. One box down, and it's one box in the middle as well. So they align perfectly as well in the bottom. And the last bit, and it's designed as well, one box down. Oh, not very good representation of it. Because I don't like it, I'm going to be very gentle and I want you to watch this struggling bit because this is real life, guys. We're not perfect. So we just pull a little bit more and a little bit more and that's it. So the wrinkle is away now and we replace it and nothing happens. You see, obviously if they are being days already placed in the planner, it's not going to be repositioned anymore. So we can use it for to-dos for the month, for wish list, for reading list, for important information. That month is absolutely beautiful for the first page of the month. Then we're going to move to our daily page sheets. So is the number 1, number 2, bottom washi, number 3, and more boxes, extra boxes for everyone. So let's put it down here. I don't want to keep forgetting that. There is a Thursday, the 1st of January. Let's put a top washi. I would like to do this to matchy the yellow. Then I would like to place my timelines. Then we're going to put down, these ones are very tiny, guys. They are absolutely tiny. Look at this. They are like threads. Look, beautiful. So I would like to divide this area. So I'm going to start from here, just to divide a little bit my schedule and the other things I'm going to do. They fit perfectly all the way down, and then we're going to use our washi. Put in here. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful. And then I would like to put some checklists. Then I would like to use little washi here, and I'm going to place that straight away underneath my checklist. And then can use a little ball, maybe this one. Maybe you put notes of a day, something that is very relevant to you on that day, and maybe put a little one in here to mark something different around this area. And then we have our big boxes that they fit perfectly down here. So let's pick one in here and let's place maybe I have a big lunch or a meeting. Big lunch might be nice at 12 o'clock to mark lunchtime. Maybe I want to remember something very big on that day, so I'm going to place big box in here in the middle. Why not, to remind me? And that's it, guys. Here we go. This is it. This is our beautiful layout for today. I hope you enjoy it. This is our kit for our A5, our hobonichicousin. On top of that, remember that we have our beautiful journaling sheets if you are journaling. So I want to show you a little bit, why not? Maybe you would like to mark something in here. Look at that. And maybe I would like some beautiful penguins. Would like to do some colors, some hearts, I know, in my meeting. And in here to remind me something special, these washi stickers are absolutely stunning. I just love them for layer down. For example, I would like to use this one to mark this meeting, or in here to mark something special. And this is, I can keep going, and going with all these beautiful stickers. They are just beautiful. Yes, look at that. They're so pretty. So guys, this is our kit. I hope you liked it and I hope you enjoy it too, the same as I enjoy it every day. So thank you very much for supporting my channel. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon, Stickies.